How to set your WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily set a WhatsApp profile picture without having to lose your quality. First of all, you will have to open your WhatsApp and open any chat that you want. And from here what you want to do is send the picture that you want to set as your profile picture. So just tap on gallery and then send the picture. So here is the picture that I want to send. Now all you have to do is make sure that you send this as a HD quality. So once you set this as HD quality, then you send this to your chat. Right now it's not supported, this image is not HD, but I'm gonna send it anyways. And from here you just want to download this image on your gallery, so just tap on it to save it to your gallery. So just tap on save, and once your HD image is saved, you just want to head over to your profile, and once your profile is open, just tap on it, then tap on your picture, and now you can just change it. Just tap on this edit button and choose the picture that you just selected, and now all you have to do is crop the image and make sure that it's fit, then tap on done, and now your picture should be set to HD quality. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.